very first of the year. It's got the longest name in the RV business. It's a 2024 Forest River Heritage Glen Wildwood 320 View. This is an awesome floor plan. It's brand new to me, and I can't wait to show you. Look at the windows up here on the far side. We got two slides over on this side. One for the living area, another one for the master bedroom. Check out all these windows. Kind of a secret compartment that I'm going to show you here shortly. All right, underbelly storage. You do see aluminum construction out front. Here's a good look at your wet bay. I see your battery disconnect, another light, automatic leveling system. Folks, the dry weight on this unit is just over 10,000 pounds. Beautiful fiberglass cap out front. On the outside here, you'll see some outside speakers. Your doggy door latch. Place to mount a TV if you wish to do so. Solid steps, glass door. Let's go in. Woo-wee. All right, take it all in. Absolutely amazing. My favorite door. I'll show you soon why. We got a fireplace, sound bar, nice huge TV. Of course, we do have the L-shaped sofa that does convert to a bed. But take a look at these windows, folks. Wow. Absolutely terrific. Dining area. Hello, 4 stools. We got the oven, 3-burner stove, Furrion microwave, the range hood. Nice vaulted ceilings too. Of course, these brand new windows for this year. Close that way or this way, like so. Beautiful. This guy, how about that? It actually goes all the way shut. Those LED lights do turn off if you wish to turn them off. Check out this residential style fridge. Fridge over on one side, freezer over on the other side. A little bit of a wine rack. Behind this door, pantry. Okay. This is it. I'm getting excited. Another pantry. Yeah, you're not excited? How about this? How about some bunks for the kids? Got bunk number 1 with USB connections, power connections. You have a switch here for this fan that lets in AC. Bunk number 2. And yes, for the magic of video, I just tilted that up. There's lots more headroom here. That is absolutely amazing. First time I've ever seen that, and I have to say, I absolutely love it. All right, let's go. Control center is here. You do have 2 ACs. You do have a solar panel system. Nice big shower here with a corner seat, and of course it does have the skylight. Get a medicine cabinet. Take a look at this nickel finish here on the faucet. Okay, bedroom up next. That seems to be a queen size bed to me. Could be a king. Storage up front. Let me show you something exciting here. We got ourselves a Versa tilt bed. Press this button. Here we go. Is it Star Trek time? Okay, that bed does tilt all the way up, but now, take a look at the room. It's like a dance floor right here. Storage underneath the bed with these nice baskets, these wicker baskets. Got 4 of them. Place to sit down, put your shoes on. Nice dresser. You can mount another TV, again with this window and beautiful blinds. Up front, we got the closet, and guess what, folks? It's prepped for a washer dryer. So you know what that means. You can live in this thing. Take a look at the room. Take a look at the places to put your shoes. Awesome. Holy moly. I gotta say, I like it a lot. All right, folks, if you like what you're seeing, please give us a call. Book an appointment with one of our friendly sales staff. And we'll be more than happy to get this ready to show for you. Or come on by to 80 Commerce Street in Moncton, New Brunswick. See you soon.